Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Things are heating up, and they're only going to go up over the next few days. We still have yet to hit officially 90 degrees here in Bowling Green this year of 2014. Now, yesterday we thought we did. In fact, some of the hourly observations looked like they were going to hit 90 for a while there at the airport, but 89 ended up being the official high temperature. But I think today we're not going to have any trouble getting there. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar showing that we're already at 86 degrees and we're mostly sunny. Just a few fair weather puffy clouds around the area. Not much to limit the heat that's out there and the humidity that's back too. We've got a big dome of high pressure that's sitting over the area, and with that dome being so large and so encompassing over the southeastern United States, it doesn't take long for the atmosphere to heat up. But as far as any kind of shower activity, well, that's going to be few and far between over the next few days. Here's a look at the temperatures right now from the Mesonet sites, and we're seeing already 87s for Calhoun, Hartford, Greenville. Then you head down to Franklin, you're at 87. Everybody else in the more around the mid-80s, 84, 85, 86 degrees. Then you throw in the dew points. Again, this is a way we measure the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. And we're starting to find some low 70-degree dew points, which means the atmosphere is extra muggy, but we do have a cap. That cap of warm air that sits over the top of us will prevent any thunderstorms. What you need is some cold air on top of the warm air, but we've got warm air that's lifting those heights very high into the atmosphere. So it's going to take a lot to produce any kind of shower and thunderstorm activity in this kind of an atmosphere. But what it does lend itself to are heat index temperatures. Now, it's been a while since we've talked about heat index, but here we go. It feels like it's 92 degrees in Hartford and in Calhoun and in Hardinsburg, and other locations here will start to feel like maybe the mid-90s before the day is done. We've got a little bit of a breeze out there that makes it at least somewhat tolerable. But if you love summer weather, this is just the perfect recipe for you. Live, looking down Scottsville Road, we're seeing some of those puffy cumulus clouds and the current temperature at 86 degrees. But it feels like it's 90 with that heat index and that little bit of an extra dew point in the upper 60s there. A little bit of a south-south wind coming in at 7 miles per hour. We checked some of the weather cams. We go to Mammoth Cave National Park. You're sunny. Current temperature is at 83 degrees. Edmonton, in our newest AAA Systems weather cam, is at 84 currently with the Mesonet site there. And you see a couple of those puffy cumulus clouds around. Sunshine in Glasgow. Your temperature at 83 with a few puffy clouds around. And then we head to Greenville out west. You're already at 87 under a mostly sunny sky there in Muhlenberg County. 87 is the temperature at the Bowling Green Airport. 88 Huntsville. 79, a little bit cooler up in Indianapolis. They've had some showers up there this morning, keeping those temperatures a little bit cooler. But those 80s are running a little bit warmer than yesterday. In fact, we're pacing 3 degrees warmer than at midday just yesterday. Here's a look at some of those showers on radar that was north of us this morning, mainly north and along of the Ohio River and the Wabash River. These are dissipating. All this with a dissipating frontal boundary that's passing just to the north of us. But it's this ridge of high pressure which is just going to sit over the Carolinas for the next 24 to 36 hours, continue to crank out the big heat dome that's over the area, and only just scant chances of those passing showers late in the day. And then after we lose the daytime heating, everything fades away. And it's going to be that kind of a forecast over the next few days. Tomorrow will be just the same as today. Lots of sunshine, a few clouds, perhaps a late day shower, especially in the higher elevations further out to the east of us. But there's not much change to this forecast at all for the next few days. Mostly sunny, hot and humid, around 90 this afternoon, we think, for the first time this year. 69, mainly clear, warm and muggy tonight. Then tomorrow we go back to around 90, perhaps 92 on Wednesday, 91 Thursday. A little better chance of a shower and thunderstorm coming up Thursday afternoon, but again, Friday and Saturday, more widespread or widely scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. And then we get into more of the upper 80s, but that's still running above average this time of the year. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.